Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Jen here from Blogging Bulletin. In this video, we're going to go over Ahrefs for beginners. I'm super excited to share this with you. Ahrefs at ahrefs.com is the site I'm talking about, and this is a tool that you can use for SEO and keyword research. This is super important when you're blogging because one of the life forces of your blog is your traffic, and SEO traffic. Keyword traffic is one of the strongest forms of traffic that you can get to your website. Ahrefs is really awesome for new to seasoned bloggers. I'm going to show you how to use it. Let's get into it. Okay, so once you sign up to Ahrefs, you're going to meander over to Keywords Explorer, and then you'll start typing in your keywords. So it might be something like running shoes for beginners. All right, so we're going to go over all of these components here. Now, the goal is to uncover if this keyword is going to be a good one to write for, if it's going to be a good keyword for a blog post. And so you'll look at all these different things. First, we have your keyword difficulty. This one is at 11. This is also on a color scale. Green is good, orange, yellow is moderate, and then red is going to be hard to rank for. So keyword difficulty gives you an estimate of how hard it is to rank in the top 10 organic search results. This is on a 100-point scale. So 1 is going to be the easiest, 100 is going to be the hardest. So I would recommend going for 0 to 25, which is going to be closer to this green. Next is the volume. You can see here that this is the estimated number of monthly searches for your keyword. I would want to aim for 100 plus on this. CPC is your cost per click, which is really useful to know for paid advertising. If you're not doing paid advertising, then you don't have to worry about this too much. This shows you the number of monthly clicks that this term gets in the search results. The global volume is on a global or worldwide scale, showing you the search volume monthly on average for people searching for this target keyword. Okay, and then as you go down below, you have your keyword ideas. So these are other keywords that you can also look to rank for. And you don't have to necessarily shy away from these lower ones here, although I do like to aim for it to be 100 monthly searches or more. You would be surprised how some of these lower ranking ones can get you above 100 searches as well. Remember, all these are estimates. These numbers are estimates. You can look at what to also rank for, and this is the monthly volume here. Also rank for is a list of keyword ideas, which shows you all the keywords in the top 10 ranking pages that the target keyword also ranks for. So what that means is people that are ranking for this keyword, running shoes for beginners, they are also ranking for these terms here. So it's great if you have a blog post that ranks for your main keyword term as well as other terms, because it's going to help you get the most traffic. You can click right over here, also rank for, to get even more ideas of other keywords that you can use in your content. And you can see here, if you hover over any of these question marks, it tells you exactly what each tab is for and how to use it. So with also rank for, it shows keywords that the top ranking pages for your target keyword also rank for in the top 100 searches, as I just mentioned. So these are these terms here. When crafting your content, you really want to think about your end user. They're going to have common questions around your keyword term. So head over to questions and make sure to add these as well. All right, well, this wraps up part 1 of Ahrefs for beginners. I will put out part 2 as well to give you more insight on this awesome SEO keyword research tool that I love so much. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, turn on the notification bell so you can be alerted of when I publish new content just like this. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.